Hi, I'm Peter Maffa, and Zen Mountain Monastery in Mount Tremper, New York asked me to build 150 of these meditation benches, and this video is just to show you how it all went together, just a general overview. This is an unfinished one, but how I made all the parts and how it all went together. So first I have the lumber delivered from the lumber yard, and I cut everything into manageable sizes and keep paring things down to they're closer to their final size, and then I'm finished thickness planing, and then I run everything through the shaper to create a bullnose profile on all edges. Then I'm sanding all the surfaces. Then I sand all the edges, all the bullnose edges on the sides. And then the ends I'll sand with my orbital sander just to get the end grain. Applying the brand with a branding iron. Then I'm cutting the leg stock to finish dimension. And I use what's called a domino joiner to create a mortise or mortises in the undersides of the seats. And I've made jigs to register where to make these mortises. And I made a jig for the mortising the ends of the legs as well. That's what I'm doing here. And then I sand all the sharp points over that have been created with a bullnose profile. And here I'm cutting tenon stock. This is what goes in between the legs and the seats, glues everything together. And here's the final glue up, where I'm solidly gluing the legs to the seats. And I have these calls to apply good pressure using Rubio Monocoat, which is a beautiful oil finish. It was originally designed for flooring, but works great with furniture and everything. It's non-toxic, but there's a lot of oil, so I'm using steel wool to just polish it up a little bit, make it smoother to the touch. And here it is, the final product, 150 benches that I'll be packing up and shipping off to the monastery. So thanks for watching this video, and appreciate your watching it.